Assalamu alaikum. This is Faiz Mahmood with another lecture of vocabulary building or explaining of the confusing word. Today we will learn something more about some more words like aid and aid. See, the pronunciation of both of these words is the same. Now, how will you differentiate between them when someone is speaking? If these words are written, we can sure, I'm sure you can differentiate between these words. Aid means help or assistance, and aid mean an aid who is a person who helps. If someone is speaking, how will you differentiate between them? Now, here comes the solution. Both of these words have different meaning. So both of these words will have different construction of sentence and different context in which these words will be used. So you have to concentrate on the context and structure of the sentence where these have been used. Aid means help or assistance given. Every Christmas, the community gives aid to those less fortunate. And this aid, an aid is a person who helps. Person who is help. It is an help given. It is a person who gives an help. So this is the difference. Help and the giver of help. He works in a local school as a teacher aide. So this is the difference. One is helping someone and the other one is the helper. This aid is a help and this is the person who helps. So this is the difference. Now, ale and ale both have the same pronunciation, so they may be confusing. Now, first we will see the meaning of this word. Ale means to be ill, trouble, pain, or afflict someone, or affliction, some pain. This medicine and an exercise can cure you of whatever ail you. The ails of the society can be cured through strict laws and punishment. This ails mean which if afflicts the society, which troubles the society, which is a pain for the society. Now, this ale being an alcoholic beverage. He controlled his ale addiction at rehab. Rehab. Now, this is the construction of the sentence which will clarify you which ale has been used, and it is the sense which will tell you in which sense these two words are used. They will be used separately in a different sense because they have different meaning. Their sentences will be constructed differently and they will be used in a different sense. So you can very easily, with a tact, you can understand which ale has been used. Thank you very much for watching. With more words, I will be here for you in my next lecture. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.